What's the meaning of Beau Nash? Beau Nash. Beau Nash.
Beau Nash. Beau Nash. Beau Nash was an iconic figure in 18th-century British society. He was a socialite, fashion icon, and arbiter of manners during a time when societal norms were rapidly evolving. Nash was a master of ceremonies who presided over the fashionable society of Bath, a popular spa town in southwestern England. His influence extended far beyond the city limits of Bath, however, as he set the standard for what was considered fashionable and proper behavior among the upper classes. To this day, the name Beau Nash is synonymous with elegance, style, and sophistication, and his legacy is still celebrated in Bath and beyond.